This is question 3 in exercise 21.2 in Project Maths 2. We have to graph the function in the given domain. G of x is x squared minus 3x minus 4. And we have to graph that in the domain. Minus 2 is less than or equal to x, is less than or equal to 5, where x is an element of R. So what we've got to graph this. We create a table like we can see here in the middle. And we're going to list all the whole numbers in our domain down the left hand side. So starting with minus 2 and going up to 5, we get minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then we're going to go down the line, substituting each number into the function, which we have written on the top of the middle column, and seeing what value we get out the other side. So going into this, putting minus 2 in, we're going to get minus 2 squared minus 3 times minus 2 minus 4. And if we substitute in 1, we're going to get minus 1 squared minus 3 times minus 1 minus 4. And we'll literally do the same for each of these all the way down. This can be a somewhat tedious method, but unfortunately this is what is expected of us at times. So minus 2 squared minus 3 times 2 is 4. 3 squared minus 3 times 3 minus 4, and 4 squared minus 3 times 4 minus 4, and the last one we got 5 squared minus 3 times 5 minus 4. And then all we've got to do is we've got to work each of these out to get our equivalent g of x for each of them. So minus 2 squared is 4. And then minus 3 times minus 2 is 6, it's plus 6, and we got a minus 4 in the end. So we're going to get 6 out of this one here. And for the next one, minus 1 squared is 1, minus 3 times minus 1 is 3, so we get a 0 in here. Then 0 squared is 0, 3 times 0 is 0, so we just get minus 4 here. Then 1 squared is 1, minus 3 times 1 is minus 3, and minus 4, so we got 1 minus 3 minus 4, that's going to be minus 6. Then for this one here, for 2, we're going to have 2 squared, which is 4, minus 6 minus 4, so we're going to get minus 6 again. And for our next one, we've got 9 minus 4, so we just get minus 4. Then we have 16 minus 12 minus 4, which is 0. And on the very bottom we have 25 minus 15 minus 4, which is 6. So now we put our pairs together from this. So we put the x together with the g of x to make a coordinate pair. So we're going to have minus 2, 6. We're going to have minus 1, 0. We're going to have 0, minus 4. We're going to have 1, minus 6. We have 2 minus 6. We have 3 minus 4. We're going to have 4, 0. And we're going to have 5, 6, like that. And now what we have to do is, on our coordinate plane, we have to plot each of those points. So minus 2 minus 6 is 2 back and 6 up. So it's just up here. Minus 1, 0 is 1 back and 0 up or down, just there. 0 minus 4 is 0 forward or back and 4 down, so it's down here. And then 1 minus 6 is 1 across, 6 down, just down here. And 2 minus 6 is 2 across and 6 down, which is just down here as well. And 3 minus 4 is 3 across and 4 down, just there. 4, 0 is 4 across and 0 up or down, so it's just there. And then 5, 6 is 5 across and 6 up, just up there. And now what we're expected to do is to draw a curve between each of those points. So going down, curving between the two bottom points, and then back up to the top again. And when we draw our curve, it should look something like that, where we can see it goes through all of our points along the way. The one thing you want to be sure to be careful of is that between our two bottom points down here, between 1 minus 6 and between 2 minus 6, that you don't draw a straight line across and you don't draw a V going down. You curve in between them at the bottom there. Otherwise it's not going to quite be right. But overall, that is that.